Just go and nurse your baby mother back to health. And thank God say no worse.
Really have to respect you, no, bossy.
What me tell you about a bossy something there?
I know, say, you always give me solid advice. But Carlton, you know, say you me for blame for this. And you tell me to take back that woman here, you know, to get close to her, to get information about Tony, you know.
You have a point. And as a real man, you have to take accountability for your actions. I got to accept that one day. Let's move on.
Yo, how come I could have lose my baby mother because of foolishness, man?
Your baby mother. I'm glad you realize our worth, you know. Just try and repeat the same mistake them we always make. Because of your downfall. You keep making the same mistake them over and over. You need to learn from them.
Oh, me I work on it, you know. It's just that some of the bad habits them harder to get rid of.
I know that. But that's why you have to try even harder to get rid of them. Trevor, you're up on a good part right now. Come here tell you, when you do a call the tours, brother, I have to give you credit for that. Because you make a major change down there. And I thank you for that.
I'm not tell a lie, no, Carlton. I really enjoy what I do, you know.
I can see that. So just focus on the work and work with who I work with you.
That me I gotta do, you know. Hold on. Something different, boy. I never seen a chain before.
Yeah, as you know, I'm not really wear jewelry. But today I'm very strong. And the pendant here is actually my old lady fingerprint. So, you know, she passed on and thing. So, on my birthday, so I just feel like to have her close to my chest. So, on that day.
Talking about that, are you earth strong?
Trevor, you know something like the excitement thing for my birthday, you know?
Carlton, yes, a man who work very hard. Sometimes you have to take time for yourself, brother.
Brother, if the work, they have to do the work I have to do.
And this is my appreciation for all of what you do for me. All this.
Trevor, you see me going in that bag there and find a little gift bag something there, you know something I go upset.
But you just take the thing now, man.
Make sure there's a little gift bag something there in there. If me go in the bag and see a little red bow, me I give it back.
I just become a nose, so you know, like them things.
Alright, at least if I get my birthday card. Oh, the man. Brother, this too mushy. Hold this.
Read it.
Brother, what kind of mushy thing is that man upon, man? Thinking of you and your special. Brother. Yo, hold this. We don't want a card, brother. And me thank you for this. This me thank you for. But hold the card, hold the book, hold the bag. Go on with that. Right. You can go on with them.
Don't worry yourself.
But thanks for this. Respect. Fireball. By the way, you take a shot no more.
Yeah, very cup there, right cup.
Yeah, man, some plastic cups them right as well. Remember, say you can't do drink, so that is for you.
Yeah,
you're not a drinker. You know, say you're not a Hey you.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm I'm okay. Just having a little flu.
So you take some for it?
Yes.
So, why you sound so dry?
Are you really asking that question?
Yes, I mean your responses are rather monosyllabic. What's up?
But I'm really okay.
What was the
Hope
seminar?
you're alright as well.
Yeah, I'm, you know, if you were nicer to me, I would be okay. But you're not being very nice.
Did life, eh?
What was the seminar?
It's fine.
I really miss you.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Don't you have company there?
So, this is what it's all about? For real?
Look, Tony, don't be stupid. Don't try to trivialize what happened.
Babe, this is a big misunderstanding.
Okay, if you say so. Anyways, I have to go to a next seminar, so I have to talk to you later.
Hold up. So, when are you coming back?
I'm not sure yet, but I'll let you know. Bye.
Love you.
Hey, Tony, what's up?
Hey, Nicey, my industrious worker. How are you?
You know, I'm doing great. Oh.
Oh, the new atmosphere. I mean, the environment and such.
It's a breath of fresh air.
I can tell. On another note, I have 3 funerals home where I need you to supervise, right, while you're there, right? But in a week, I'll send you the details. But for now, I want you to enjoy yourself. Just take it like a mini vacation, alright? You have Shenkuzi Park right down the road from you.